This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 24 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This time we're starting on the finger, the index finger, the big pointy finger. We shall start on that this time after looking through the magazine, of course, as ever. Universal purification. Purification is always good as long as you don't take it too far. There we go. Lots of interesting art in there and featuring where they're coming from. Different magazines. So the index finger part 1. Which part of the index finger is? I think it's sort of the top joint that we're doing on this one. Not much to build, and one part to keep aside for later. Fire Lord, Fiery Herald. It sounds familiar, but I don't know. It's not the Human Torch. It's different, but similar. Milgram, probably. The author, obviously, from the comics. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get this finger put together. Yes, 3 parts and some screws supplied. This part we're not using yet, the plastic bit. We are putting the 2 metal parts together. They only go one way round because there's a screw hole there and a threaded screw hole there. Once you get those lined up, like so, that's how that goes together, and is held in place with a single screw. Let's get that in there, and then get that tightened up, because that needs to be tight and secure, not wobbling around like that. So yeah, pretty easy so far, so easy. None of these build parts have been a real trouble, except for I think there was one earlier on that didn't want to go together how I thought it went together, but that was my problem, not theirs. So yeah, is that? No, it's still a little bit wobbly. Let's go a bit tighter. It feels like you're over tightening these, but it's all metal, so you can't. Well, I say you can't. You find it difficult to strip the thread, so it's worth doing them as tight as you can to make sure. I'm going to go even tighter than that, I think. Get this all the way home. Don't want bits of your finger wobbling when they shouldn't have to. Sometimes useful to go back a bit of a turn. It might break off any loose bits that are broken up into the thread. There we go. That's that nice and secure now. So that's that one done. I've got 2 more issues to do before my delivery runs out. So I shall see you for the next one of those in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.